This is Tuscan chicken pasta, but I made mine a little spicy. Start out by cutting a chicken breast in half. If it's still too thick, go ahead and pound it out a little bit. We're gonna make a seasoning. Go in there with 1 teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, cumin, and some salt. Give it a quick mix and season your chicken with it on both sides, patting it so it sticks thoroughly. A little bit of oil into a pan and cook off your chicken breast for 5 minutes. Flip it, throw in there some butter, and baste it so the chicken stays nice and juicy. Chicken is done. Now grab a red onion, cut it in half, and I like to give it a fine dice, but you could go ahead and give it a rough dice. Grab 1 red bell pepper, cut that as well. Leave the sticker on, it gives it extra flavor. No, I'm playing. Go ahead and take it off. And dice that as well. In the same pan you cook the chicken, go in there with a little bit of butter and cook off your bell pepper with your onions. After 2 to 3 minutes, go in there with 3 minced garlic cloves and sweat that down as well. Now add some tomato paste and cook that down as well. Go in there with some heavy cream and mix everything thoroughly. Go in there with some freshly shaved Parmesan cheese, none of that pre-grated stuff. Some sun-dried tomatoes and a handful of some spinach. Season with some salt and your cooked pasta goes in. Mix everything. Lastly, add your chicken and you're all done.